Yo you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have another lightsaber I wanted to share with you guys. So this is the piece. We wanted to make it short because apparently, yeah, we're still on our not so good camera. Um, right now it's pretty dark, I know. So let's turn that thing on so you get an idea. Because yeah, it's not bad at all. Pretty decent to be honest. So it's your typical lightsaber replica, and let's yeah, check that out a little bit in the light here. That's what you can expect out of it. Pretty nice blade and all. And when you turn that on, let's do that really quick to get an idea here. In the dark, it looks even better. Let's do that. It also, by the way, has coming with some sounds. And yeah, we turned that off though for the video. And here's some lighting. There's all the colors. We can go through them and show them as well. Has pretty vibrant, as you see. It got some really cool looking reflections, and yeah, I think definitely pretty decent piece here that you can have some fun with. And yeah, I'm happy with that. So feel free to check that out yourself. And yeah, as you see, it reacts when you push buttons, and it does quite a bit of things, so that's nice and clean. And for your pricing, you can't really complain at all here. So yeah, I think we can call it a day though, because yeah, there's not much more to it. I will just run through the other options, so stick around if you want to see those. And then I will see you in the next video. Until then, you guys, take care. My name is Badger, and bye bye.